Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to use CapCut keyframes for smooth transitions. So to use the CapCut keyframes, place your clips on the timeline and use the diamond-shaped keyframe icon to mark the starting and ending state of your clip. So let's say, for example, I'm going to click this clip, right? If you want to split, select part of a clip, like let me split from here to here, right? Then you can do that, obviously. Hit the diamond shaped icon to mark the starting transition. Move a little bit from the red diamond till it's white. Then all you gotta do is you can zoom in, move left or right to apply the transition. So I'm gonna play the video now, or the clip. Squishy Hall unboxes, right? Basically, that's it. CapCut automatically animates position, scale, and rotation between these points, while graphs smooth out the motion. Obviously, while you're making the transitions, you can click the arrow thing next to the diamond-shaped icon to select a template, right? If you want to ease out or to ease in the transition, you can just do that by selecting this one, or quad in, cubic in, ease out, right? So you can select an already made graphs so you can apply the transition, right? So basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.